Hi everyone, welcome to Major Designs, where I share refashion and sewing tips and tricks with you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing, and like those videos. In today's quick 5-minute video, I'm going to show you how I took my tape method bustier pattern to create this cute bustier for my closet. I decided to work with my bust pieces first on the fabric ends I got at my local upholstery store. First thing I did was pinned all my bust pieces down to cut. Now, I forgot to cut with a 1-inch seam allowance, which caused me to cut an additional piece later on. So remember guys, when cutting, cut with a 1-inch seam allowance. Now when it came to this piece, I realized later down that I had it too straight and I had to curve my edges later on. Now remember to label all pieces to know which piece goes where. With my right side pieces cut, I use them to create my left side pieces by simply turning them over. Once I had all my bust pieces, I started putting them together. With the bust piece completed, I went ahead to cut out my front, bottom half and back pieces. With top and bottom pieces completed, it was time to put them together. I took my time and pinned the bust pieces onto the bottom piece, right side facing right side, following the curve of the area as I pinned. Now, because I had no seam allowances throughout, I had to cut an extra back piece to close off and be able to add my zipper. Once I had all adjustments made, that was it. I was done and I had a new bustier closet piece. I used the extra fabric to create a small bag that could double as a crossbody and waist. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and feel free to comment and let me know below. And until next time guys, deuces.